Welcome back to the channel. We got a new install today going on the Parker. Gonna put us a night vision camera on this thing. What we have is a Sionyx Nightwave camera, night vision. So the first time install, it comes with a template to put her on, a couple of wires here. This plugs into my Simrad unit, so I'm gonna try to hook this up and take y'all along with me. But I think she's gonna end up going right up under this lip here. I'm not sure. We're gonna play around with it, see what kind of size it is. I might have to take the top swivel light off, but ain't no telling. We'll see how it goes, and I'll bring y'all along with us. Okay, so I'm in the middle of the install. This is where I have the light, or this is where I had the light. The camera's gonna mount right there instead. We'll take you inside, show you what I got. Alright, got the wires coming through. I'm going to end up putting silicone on everything, getting a good watertight seal. Got it run in the roof here. Got it going up under the console. And we're about to tie it in with all this. Alright, so right here we're looking at the back of the unit, and I have the video cable that Simrad sells into the back, and my camera wire with the adapter that comes with the kit plugs right up to that smaller adapter, which lets you plug it in the RC cable. Now I was able to plug it in the green side and turn my machine on and go to camera, and it was already showing. I didn't have to do any kind of setup or anything. So just a note for you, it was very easy. And the other wires coming from the Simrad cable just don't get used, so I put some electrical tape on those to keep them separate. And I bought me a cover to go on it. This is what it looks like as it sits. All right, and you're looking at the first view of the camera during the dark here. I turned it on during the day. It's got a daytime sensor as well as a nighttime, and it'll swap between the two as the sun goes down. If you have it on daytime camera, it swaps as it gets darker. So that's helpful. I noticed that when we were coming back in. So what I'm going to show you is just some fishing footage of us going out and taking it out and trying it. And yeah, it has color. You can see in some of the videos here. But it's a good picture. It definitely is able to pick up anything floating I was worried about. But we have the radar, which shows the bank and whatnot, plus our charts. We kind of know where we're at. But now we have an actual view while we're in the dark. This was a pretty dark night, and it did great. It was kind of hard to record in some of these waves to get you a good video, but as it sits, I didn't have any trouble. This wasn't really wavy at all. It's just hard to hold the phone or the camera and get a good video of it. We're gonna try for some wahoo or whatever bites. We're gonna get the spread out and get set up. So we're out here 70 miles off. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Let me speed back up. All right. Back up. Just got on a black fin. Pretty good size one. On Dad's homemade rig here. We already have a barracuda in the boat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's some bait there. Little. he is, boy. And 177 foot of water. Quit playing around, Pop. I want to see you get a nice one. There you go. No, I just got one. It's a good one. What we got? Oh, yeah. Pretty fish. Here's some fine ones. Here's some fine ones, Pop.
That's a good one.
Ought to eat good. Need a plier?
I got some right here. What do you think about it?
Alright. That's 3. Oop, there he is. Yep.
Pulling good?
Pulling good. Yeah, that's how long that fin is.
So what you think it is?
Probably almaco. Let's turn him loose.
Yeah, let's turn him loose.
We don't need it. Well, I would have to call this a pretty successful trip. We were able to test out our camera and put some nice fish in the boat. Didn't get on anything crazy trolling besides a blackfin and a barracuda. But it's like that sometimes. But yeah, coming in, no issues. I sure do like the good feeling you get from being able to see in the dark now. Kind of odd going out relying just on your instruments, but that's the way you got to do when you have to travel so far like we do in Georgia. Well, I sure do hope y'all enjoyed the video and were able to learn something new. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we will get on some more fish soon. Y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next one.